Reese. I sell real estate for a living, but I fly and instruct in the Aerostar for fun. Join us on our travel and training adventures in the world's fastest light piston twin.
Clear right. Ground and go out and do a run-up. So we're taking off on runway 34 and we have information Zulu. This little thing is a seat stop. It's just a backup so that in case the seat came loose it doesn't go flying backwards, which would not be good. Alright, contact ground. Current ground, Aerostar 11111 is at pro flight with Zulu, taxi for takeoff VFR northbound.
Aerostar 11111, Renting ground, runway 34, taxi via Alpha. And are you familiar with the East Channel departure?
Hey, affirmative, and taxi to 34 via Alpha, 111. Alright, pre-takeoff check is all.
Aerostar 11111, runway 34, clear for takeoff, East Channel departure.
And 111, clear for takeoff, East Channel departure. Alright, we'll get it all lined up on the center line. Get it lined up straight, stop, gonna bring the power on up to about 25 to 30 inches. That way I make sure that the turbos have kicked in, which they have. Go ahead and let it go. Come all the way on up to 42 inches. Okay, temperatures and pressures are good. Airspeed's alive. There's 60 knots. Nose is a little lighter. Air 75, 80, 90, 95. Rotate. Positive reclimb. Tap the brakes. Gear up. Flaps up. Okay, blue line.
Crack 97 popped out. Proceed direct to the field. Terrain 34. Clear touch and go. Right close traffic on the go.
Direct to the field. We'll make right close traffic. Conditions popped up.
For 5 fuel check. Renting ground.
Come on back to 75% cruise climb.
Front tower, Cessna 879er, or 75879er, just departed Auburn, inbound with Zulu for touch and go.
Cox 75879er, Renton Tower, make the straight in, report east of Valley Medical.
Making straight in, report east of Valley Medical, 879.
Cox 879 traffic at your 2 to 3 o'clock, descending through 3000 to the Gulf Stream.
Alright, got our eyes open, we'll keep it at 1500.
Yep.
Uppy.
And calling Payne Tower, sorry I was on the landline.
Airport Station Juliet.
Yeah, it's Aerostar 11111, so we're downtown Bellevue with Juliet for landing 34 left. We're heading direct Rario right now.
Aerostar 11111, Payne Tower, roger, make straight in runway 34 left.
Straight in 34 left, trip 1.
Aerostar 111, keep your speed up. There's going to be opposite direction Boeing traffic here in the next probably 10 minutes or so, so I'll try and get you in before then.
Alright, we're doing 200 knots indicated right now, so we'll keep that up for a bit.
Sounds great.
Audio inputs is making things kind of...
Aerostar 111, it's not going to quite work. If you could just fly northwestbound, I'm going to have you enter a midfield left downwind from runway 34 left.
Yeah, we'll do that for you, 11111.
664 Charlie, you're number 1 now.
Roger, number 134 left, clear to land, tack 1664 Charlie.
Tower, system 4937 Papa, use the stateful, with Juliet.
So 4937 Papa, Payne Tower, enter left down 134 left, and proceed direct to Muckle Seal Ferry Docks for that down 1 entry.
Left down 134 left, via Buckle PO 37 Papa.
Everything's looking good. We're burning 16.5 gallons an hour per
Aerostar 111, if you could fly westbound to the shoreline, and then follow the shoreline northbound, please.
All right, westbound to the shoreline. We'll follow the shoreline northbound. All right, I don't need the autopilot. I'm going to go ahead and go on down to pattern altitude anyway.
And Tower Boeing 663 Heavy is on the ILS for 16 right.
Number 64 Charlie, turn right Alpha 6, contact ground 18.
Turn right at Alpha 6, contact ground 64 Charlie.
Boeing 663 Heavy, Payne Tower, runway 16 right, clear for the options.
Okay, cleared the option 16 right. This will be a low approach. Any chance if we stayed in the VFR pattern, canceled IFR, we could do one more wrong direction 16 for a full stop?
Boeing 663 Heavy, negative.
Okay.
Wind 33011. Number 37 Papa, make a left 360.
Left 360, 37 Papa.
All right.
And Payne Tower, the Skyhawk 61772 Alpha 7 ready for westbound.
Sky 61772, Payne Tower, roger, standby. It's going to be a few minutes.
772 standing by Alpha 7.
And Payne Tower 111, is your intention to have me do a left 270 into the base or something?
Aerostar 111, if you'd like to do that, that's approved. Just, if you'd like to make a left 270 back, about midfield, you can start a left turn.
Okay, start the left hand, and then that'll put us more under the downwind. That'll work fine.
Aerostar 111, roger, and you'll just be, I'm going to have you inbound for 3-4 after this 767 does a low approach here.
Okay, now we got him in sight.
Payne Tower, Saratoga 555 Alpha Mike. We're at 34 left, Alpha 4, ready for a departure. You can do it immediately if you need us.
Saratoga 555 Alpha Mike, Payne Tower 767 traffic short final.
35 Alpha Mike.
And Boeing 663 is on the mess.
Boeing 663, roger.
This is one of those weird situations that could really screw you up.
Boeing 663 Heavy, contact departure 128.5.
Because
departure
you're totally out of sync on where you would normally put your gear down.
Aerostar 111, caution wake turbulence, will be number 1, runway 34 left, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Hey, 11111, number 1, clear to land, 34 left, and we'll watch out for the wake turbulence.
Number 37 Papa, you'll be following Aerostar traffic at your 1 o'clock and a mile and a half. They're southbound and mid-channel. Report traffic in sight.
Look for traffic, 37 Papa. Traffic in sight, 37 Papa.
37 Papa, follow that traffic.
Following that traffic. 37 Papa, you want us to stay over the water like they are?
Number 37 Papa, say again.
I was asking if you want us to stay over the water like these guys are.
Number 37 Papa, your discretion if you just want to fly southbound now to the base or however you'd like to enter there.
Alright, 37 Papa, thanks.
Alright, gears down, and lock pumps are on.
Payne Tower, Cessna 318 X-ray, Edmonds Ferry Dock, inbound landing.
Back up pattern altitude.
Number 318 X-ray, Payne Tower, just follow the shoreline northbound. I'll call your base.
Okay, we'll follow shoreline, H-X-ray, we have Juliet.
Number 318 X-ray, traffic 2 o'clock and 4 miles, turning southwestbound, a heavy Boeing 767 3000.
H-X-ray looking. And H-X-ray traffic in sight.
Number 82 X-ray, roger, and he's turning southeastbound now, no factor.
H-X-ray.
Flaps 30.
Aerostar 111, runway 34 left, clear to land.
111, clear to land, 34 left. The gears down and locked, 110 knots. We're back to about 20 inches. On base leg, gear is down and locked. 110 knots, trimmed for nice light control touch. All right, we'll go flaps full.
Number 37 Papa, keep it close behind the Aerostar, please. Be number 2, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Okay, gear's down.
All right, we'll tighten that 37 Papa. Number 2 clear to land, 37 Papa.
500.
Skyline 82 X-ray, just going to follow the shoreline northbound to midfield, and midfield you can start to turn into the downwind.
Okay, we'll follow shoreline northbound and midfield for downwind, 318 X-ray.
300.
Okay, gear's down locked, short final.
200.
There's my 100 knots.
100.
A little bit, add some power.
50. 40. 30.
Okay, 30 feet, start bringing the power back. Back over to the center line.
Aerostar 111, right turn Alpha 6, contact ground point 8, thanks for the help.
Okay, Alpha 6, ground point 8, 111.
Triple 5 Alpha Mike at Alpha 4, just checking on what our timing's going to be.
555 Alpha Mike Pain Tower, it'll be just another minute or so, just one more arrival here.
RPM back up to 1,000 at this point.
Roger, 2022, you'll be after CRJ, about 9 mile final.
And hold.
Roger, 2022, thanks.
Alright, the tail's clear of the hold line, so the flow starts from left to right, so the pitot heat's off. Strobe beacons stay off, and pulse lights go off. Boost pumps are off. We'll inflate the door, or deflate the door seal. Flaps are going to go up, and we're going to retrim for 0.
44937 Papa, turn right, Alpha 8, traffic will be departing downfield.
Roger, Alpha 8, 37 Papa.
That's all good.
Number 555 Alpha Mike, traffic rolling out is exiting at Alpha 8, runway 34 left and Alpha 4, clear for takeoff, northwestbound approved.
Okay, 34 left at Alpha 4, clear for takeoff for 555 Alpha Mike, and we'll go northwest.
Centurion 5 Delta Golf, I'm still awaiting your IFR release.
Very good, 5 Delta Golf.
Just double checking the checklist, and I did not miss anything there. Campaign ground, Aerostar 111's clear taxi West Condos.
Aerostar 11111, ping ground, taxi via Alpha Hotel 1.
Alpha Hotel 1, 111.